Alright, here we go. We have not much room to get out of this gate, so wish us luck. There's no possibility to get through here without hitting. So
Oh, finally got that thing busted off of there.
go 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to the channel of the Roving Veterans.
I'm Rob.
And I'm Bethany.
And don't forget about our dog, the Traveling Maverick.
We chose our name because we RV, and we're also both military veterans.
We bought our first camper in 2020 and been full-time ever since.
So we are currently Moochdocking right outside of Phoenix, Arizona with some friends, and this is our new backyard. Well, while I'm finishing up the spinach dip for where we're going after a while, we're staying Moochdocking at some friend's house. Rob's over here doing some much needed maintenance in the camper.
Look at this. Cooling it off this morning, hopefully.
It's at 10:01.
Hopefully we can keep it cool today. This thing works great though. Alright, I've come up against my first snag here. Well, maybe second. This other check valve is about impossible to get off of there. It's corroded on there. It's probably been on there the entire time this trailer has been put together. The other issue was this backflow preventer didn't have the proper connection, so I had to go get a 1/2-inch nipple to put in there, and that should fit, I hope. Now I just got to get that old one out of there, which is easier said than done apparently. So hopefully we can get this finished up soon, because this is not fun. Alright. Cold. Okay, I just want to show you this little issue that we're having with our water heater. When you turn the hot water on, actually that's a lot better than it has looked. Right there, that looks a lot better. And this is the cold side. A lot more pressure on the cold side. Show you it's a lot more pronounced on the sink. So that's how much flow we get from the hot being all the way on. This flow from the cold side. So I think we're having an issue with water flowage through the water heater somehow. Oh, finally got that thing busted off of there. And got it off of there, and it immediately puked its guts up. And the spring and little piece fell out of this. Yeah, hopefully that means that... Hopefully that means that was my problem. Gotta get this piece put back in here. Definitely the hardest part of this job is gonna be getting back in here into where your stuff's located. We got batteries and all kinds of crap in the way. I think I'm gonna work on this one day soon though and clean this up a little bit. Well, now that I got it put back and pressurized, I got a leak. Didn't seal well, so I'm gonna have to take it back out, redo it, and hope I get a better seal next time.
While Rob's doing all that, we're making dinner. A lot of people don't know, but mustard is actually a really good base for a marinade. Next, we're going to sprinkle on some chili powder. Next, we're going with some onion powder. Following that up with some garlic powder. Grab you some cumin next. Grab yourself some cayenne and sprinkle that on there too. Grab your salt grinder, or whatever type of salt you use. I use pink Himalayan. Oh, and yes, my grinders are electric. Next, we're grabbing our pepper grinder and doing the same thing. White pepper is very fine, so just remember that so you don't inhale it. Grab yourself some paprika to throw in there next. We are making ribs, so of course brown sugar's next. What is the difference in brown sugar and white sugar? molasses. The flavor of molasses. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow the candles.
Who's blowing them out?
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's the 10 count, Val? Let's go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We actually met all of these people, Mike, Val, Uncle Rick, Aunt Sue, at a craps table at Harrah's a few years ago. We've just kept up with each other, and lo and behold, Uncle Rick has his own craps table, so when we just feel like hanging out and playing, we can go play craps for free. And it's pretty awesome. We had a casualty on the walk with Maverick. And by casualty, I mean the golf cart died.
Wow, Maverick. Me and Maverick walking on our morning walk this morning, and this hawk had I guess that was another bird it had.
Because Rob is a travel nurse, that means when it's election season, we got to fill out our absentee ballots and send them from wherever we're at. Well, we had just got this one in and we're just looking it over.
Just up here checking my solar panels, making sure they're still good. They're really dirty out here. Still performing pretty well. Wasn't expecting them to be this dirty though. Pretty gross. We have 3 of these 375 watt panels on each of our 250-100 Victron MPPTs. Get him! I'm gonna be prettier than Madeline. Yeah. I'm gonna be prettier than Madeline.
I must be your hair for something.
Man, it'll take me 6 or 8 months to find all these and wash them all out.
Alright, here we go. We have not much room to get out of this gate, so wish us luck.
Yeah, I like it.
Is it in? Got it.
Check all our lights and stuff like that before we get on the road, because we need to check that.
You're gonna have to cut. You got no option. My hand is literally touching the camper with the phone. Oh my gosh. You want me to go on the other side? Let me go on the other side real quick to check. But you were literally an inch from hitting on the side over here when we pulled in, so you're gonna have to probably pull the same way in order to not hit. So keep your tires going the way they are right now, because you're gonna have to get out of here. And then once you start pulling up, then you'll be fine. You want me to check the other side? Jeez Louise, you're close, but I think you got it. Y'all, we're like, you see that? It's like an inch. Oh Oh my gosh. You're still good on my side. If your Judy says you're good on that side, then you should be good on this side. About 6 inches and you're going to be hitting the concrete. You got this. I don't blame him, but he's coming to look. Alright, so this is the view from this side. I'm touching the camper with my phone. And this is the view from the other side. Phone is touching the camper. So we are equidistant on both sides. It's just not much wiggle room. Just a couple inches on each side. Alright, you got one axle over. Second axle's over. Your second axle got over. Third axle is over. Alright, so this is how much room we got on this side. And this side. We are close, but we're gonna make it. I think you got this, dear. No. You might pull a little bit to the right. It's close, isn't it? It's super close. You're good. You're gonna make it. You just can't go any farther to the left. You're good, dear. Just pull straight. Man, inches, inches, inches. Oh my God. Hang on, hang on.
Wait a minute.
Nope, you gotta go back.
Yeah, you've come too far close on this side.
There's no possibility to get through here without hitting. So, he's gonna try to back up and try again. Man, it's close, y'all. Join us again next week to see if we made it out safely. As stated in the beginning, we are the Roving Vets and we post every Tuesday. If the RV life looks interesting to you and you want to know more, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check us out. We have been full-time now for 4.5 years. Anyway guys, see y'all next week.